this Dublin Airport plane spotting vlog in extremely strong winds. And here we have an Air France 220 coming in from Charles de Gaulle Airport in Paris, I think. Yeah, whatever, I'll just get to the landing. Very beautiful on the glide slope. Let's see the landing now. Beautiful. Shaking a little bit. Right, here we have this landing. Please butter. Butter my bread. Right, let's see this. Great landing, to be honest. And now we have a Ryanair 737 coming in from Porto. Right. Let's skip to the landing. Alright, let's see this Ryanair landing. It's going to be very interesting, especially in this wind. Alright, here we go. A little bit of a bounce, but that was quite a survivable landing in my opinion. And here we have another Ryanair Boeing 737. Let's hope it's not the same landing, because that would really be bad, because yeah, I don't want to see the same looking landing twice in a row. The approach is looking somewhat different. Okay. Yeah, that was not the best landing. It might need a little bit of landing gear maintenance after that. Here we have an Aer Lingus A320 CEO coming in for a landing. From my point of view, it looks a lot slower than the Ryanair landings. I don't know why, or if that's just me. I tried to do something else. It's a little bit slower than me. I don't know why. Very nice flare, but the landing is too bad, but not too good either. Here we have an Air Explorer Boeing 737-800. I don't know where that airline came from and who named it that, but yeah. Let's see the landing. That was worse than the Ryanair landing. And here we have a VistaJet Bombardier Global 6000. I'm just gonna skip to the landing, so I'm not gonna record this long. Oh, that's the fire brigade. I wonder where they're going. I really do wonder. Anyway, let's just go to the landing of the Bombardier Global 6000, because I ain't gonna bore you guys no more. Here we have this landing. This Bombardier is really getting tossed around. More than an ATR 72. Damn. Right, let's see the landing. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, that's a big gust. Long float. The landing was alright, although that float was very long. Here we have another Air Explorer Boeing 737-800. Right, let's see this landing. The last one was bad. Like very, very bad. This one was slightly better, but still not butter. Yeah, so here we have a Lufthansa Airbus A321 CEO. I love this landing because when I become a pilot, I really do want to fly for Lufthansa. Let's see if they train their landing, if they train their pilots to butter or to just land safely. Right, let's see. Given the circumstances, that's actually a very smooth landing. to go now for now, and I don't know what I'm talking about this. Oh, okay, whatever. Here we have a KLM Embraer E195. It looks to be. It's just me, or is that plane getting tossed around? Okay, it's getting tossed around. Yeah. So it's coming in from Amsterdam, and yeah, its departure time was later than its scheduled arrival time. So yeah, that's fun always. It's always fun to be like an hour delay or something like that. Okay, let's see this landing. Butter my bread. Jesus, that landing was so butter. That might have just been the most butter landing of the day. Oh my god. Here we have a Lufthansa City Airbus A320. It looks like it should be an A320 Neo. So let's see this Lufthansa City landing. I can't get over how beautiful the A320 Neo is. Not a very stable approach. It was smooth, average Lufthansa landing, very good. Here we have an Aer Lingus ATR-72 and a Porsche. Very nice. Perfect timing actually. Right, so let's just see this. It's not Aer Lingus, isn't it? No, it's not. It's some airline I've never heard of. Okay, well, let's see the landing. Is it going to be good or is it going to be bad? Alright, to be honest. I'll be completely honest with you. So, yeah, kind of nice. Here we have an Aer Lingus ATR-72 getting tossed around like a toy. Jesus, it's really getting tossed around there, isn't it? Yeah, not the best approach I've ever seen. I have to say that. Literally getting tossed like. That was an extreme gust. My microphone nearly went flying. Jesus Christ. Ooh! That landing was not very good. That was not good. Here we have another Aer Lingus ATR-72. It's crazy with the ATR-72s today, isn't it? There's a lot of them. Right. Come on, little plane. You can do this. Come on. Your last landing wasn't really good. Come on, you did a left gear first. Come on, don't disappoint me. Oh my Jesus. That was nearly a wing sprint. Holy crap. You just got tossed around like a toy. Such a disappointment. Jeez. Here we have an Iberia Express A320 CEO landing. It's a little bit shaky on approach. Oh my god. That was a chronically bad landing. Oh my god. That was so bad. Here we have a Helvetic Airways Airbus A220 coming in for landing. I am just going to skip to the actual part where it's landing. So yeah, I'll see you then. And here it is. Let's see this landing. Oh my god, that's a very nice flare. That was nearly butter, to be honest. Nice landing. Here we have the Aer Lingus A320